the infinite power of light, bundled into a laser beam, allows for technologies with virtually endless opportunities. With the energy of the laser and the diverse characteristics of materials, at EOS, we accomplish a precise manufacturing technology, so-called additive manufacturing. Based on a CAD model, material in powder form is melted together, layer for layer, in such a way that a three-dimensional object results at the end. Material is thus added in the precise 100th millimeter range, instead of removed, as is done with conventional production. In this way, complex geometries can be created, functions integrated, and entire component groups are joined into one part. In the light of a laser, the energy is concentrated to turn innovation into reality.